Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I was going to wash on my tractor a little bit, and I actually washed it the other night. Got it all cleaned up, the most of it, but I had it pulled right here on the pad and then it started to rain. So we will gladly take the rain. I'm not complaining about that, but Cody's up there trying to bush hog. We just hooked up the bush hog, took the 6430 off the square baler, hooked it onto the bush hog, the little 15 footer that we just got, the new one. And him and Jacob were up there mowing. Jacob had the 4840 and the 26 foot Schulte mower. They were up there mowing, but I think I'm just gonna work on this 8235 for a little bit. You probably can't hear me very good because of the rain on the tin roof, but Jacob washed it. We got a coat of wax on this, and then I wiped it down the other day. Would have been Saturday. Today is Monday, and Jacob wiped it down again for the second time. Oh, you little bug, get off there. There. Jacob wiped it down for the second time today. So all I've got to do now is I'm gonna take some super clean and clean off these fenders. I already did this one. I'm gonna take a paper towel over this and get the fines from the rag off of it. And I've just got to do this plastic here on the battery box, and might do a little bit on the grill here on this black, and then over here on this part of the fuel tank, and then this fender. But then after that, this tractor should be pretty much done. And then we will be able to take this out of here along with the drill. This is hooked up to the drill. This thing is married to this drill, and it never comes off of it because we feed cover crops in the fall with it. Or not cover crops, but yes, cover crops and our rye and our wheat and stuff like that. So this stays on here all the time. We'll take this up to the shed and put it away so it's all good. And then we'll bring my tractor in here, the 8335, after we get it touched up and washed, and then I'll pull it in here and I'll put a wax on it. And then there's also an oil leak on it we need to address. I'm thinking it's a seal in the transmission or something, leaking hydraulic oil. We're not really sure where it's coming from, so we're going to have to take a closer look at it. We've never taken a really close look at it. It's just this year it's gotten a little bit worse.
Hi.
But anyways, I'm just going to work on this for a little bit, and then we should be.
Alright, so we got Brad here finishing up the 8235 here. We just finished waxing it, and we're just running some super clean on the fuel tank here and then the fenders, just to make the black shine a little bit more. But other than that, it should be good to go out and put it up in the barn, and then we're going to get Brad's tractor in here.
Filling up the rocks out there?
Yeah. See, when I pushed it like full throttle, I ran faster.
Yeah, sure.
The throttle was my engine too. Can I go over that way?
Come on.
Oh, you're pretty tight over there.
You got plenty of room. Bye.
Goodbye.
Cody pulled his mower in here. Guess he forgot to put the pins down. Probably ought to put those in because it's gonna fall down on something. So. Well, that was easy. I didn't even have to put them in. gonna go build a little fence around our sweet corn patch. We have it up there in the bottom field, the closest cornfield to us. And I'm not sure if you can even hear me right now, but we got some little plastic posts that we're gonna put around it. We'll just put it around the whole field, make it easy. Keep the raccoons out. It's a little rope fence. It's got some wire going through it. Put some electricity to it. Look at this fence right here on this cow pasture. I'm just gonna go over here and help Cody load it up in the back of the gator. So that way we can go start putting it around there. We don't really have much else to do today, but we need to get this around there so the raccoons don't eat our sweet corn. Then we'll have to send Cody down there on bird control because the crows will get in it pretty bad once we get the raccoons out of it, because the raccoons keep out the crows. And yeah. You got everything?
No, I just got the post. I'm gonna go get the post.
Well, we need to go get the rope first. We can throw the rope in there while we're sitting here. Oh, we're already over here. All right. Got these little plastic posts. Just drive in the ground with your foot. You got a little foot peg here. Just drive them in the ground. They go pretty good. It'll go really easy now that it's rained. We got this little thingy here. This is our rope that we put around, and then we'll probably have to put this around it too, since we're going around the whole field.
There's the rest of it over in the other barn.
We might want to, here's another post. But we might want to get a T-post to run into the corner so we can pull on it and get it tight. Or we can tie it to the other, to T-post on there or something.
Tied to that post.
Okay. Get this over here. I can't do it with one hand. Watch this, because that's fiberglass.
Ow.
Get the little wire here. We did this the other year and we worked out pretty good. Except we got the crows in it since the raccoons were out of it. So we're gonna go work on putting this around it. Maybe set up a time lapse or something, do something like that. Got my little, well, now you're stuck on here. My wire wrapping on your little holder there didn't work too good. But I actually rigged up a little big eye bolt thing through our little our roll and put a bungee strap hanging down on the side of the four-wheeler. And it seems to be working pretty good. So I'm just gonna continue on down through here until we run out. It's working better than I thought it would. I just got another little eye bolt through there on the hitch, and then I got that's running through there, and I got a little nut kind of holder thing, I don't know, then I got a bungee strap goes up right here, and I'm just rolling it out. So it's actually working a lot better than I thought it would. And we are put on pause again because it's raining now, and we ran out of wire, so I have to get some more tomorrow. And then yeah, so that's gonna be all I can get done for that fence today. So we'll see what else we do. Okay, so what are we doing?
I guess waiting on the rain.
I don't know what we're doing. Jacob was working on this 4320. We've had this thing since it was brand new, actually. And there's a leak in the pump here, and in the fuel pump here, and they sent us the wrong pump to replace it. So I looked it up on my John Deere parts catalog online, and found the right one, and so we'll just have to order that tomorrow. We're gonna have to wait on that. It's not a big deal. We don't really need this tractor, so I can't blame them for not having this, because I mean, it's not a common thing around here. It's not something common that we would have.
But they still don't have common parts either.
That's true. Anyways, Cody was bush hogging a little bit today until it rained.
Got rain.
Yeah. Anyways, I don't know what we're doing. What are we doing?
I'm
Just walking around pretty much. I don't know. I'm bored. I might find something to do.
Yeah.
I don't know. I might work on that fence tomorrow. Did you go get some more posts today?
Got 3 boxes.
3 boxes. I don't know if that'll even be enough. Well, we had.
Well,
I
they got
figured
50 in each box.
I figured we would have plenty of wire, but we didn't, because they ran out before we got done. So probably need probably 1,000 feet more of it, and then that should do us for what we're doing. The only reason we don't have enough is because they are using some of it out at our other farm, and they're using it to just have a temporary fence until we build one. So that's where a lot of it is. So I would have had enough if we would have had that here, but it's not a big deal. It's always good to have more. It's not going to hurt for us to have more. So anyways, I guess that's going to be it for this video. Yeah, can't really think of anything else. I think this is the pump that they gave us. I think it's a different one on this tractor. I think this looks like the one that they sent us. So
It does look similar.
anyways, I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Please like, subscribe. I know this was kind of short. Maybe it's long. I don't know. It's a video, so I haven't been putting out much lately. So I'll start doing some more just short little daily videos. Maybe combined days or something. We'll just have to figure it out. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Yeah, I messed that up pretty good.
Yeah,
Yeah. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.